Hello people. Hi. How are you doing today? I'm Guru Roll. Guru Roll. And I'm here to bring you peace and enlightenment. I've got some. I want to share it with you. Do you need some? Of course you do. Everyone needs a little peace and enlightenment. You sons of bitches. Don't lie to yourself. You don't got none. I know you don't got none. You ain't got it. It's okay. You ain't got it. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it together. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna breathe and we're gonna see it. We're gonna get it. No, actually, you're gonna have to get naked. And get in the dark. And you're gonna have to go naked in the dark. You're gonna have to lay on your face all the way down. Smash your face to the floor. And I want you to hit yourself in the back. With a stick. And when you're ready, when you feel the stinging burn. When you feel the sting. And the burn, you will be ready, you will cry out. You cry out to the first name. You think, don't cry out to mama or daddy. Don't cry out to God, you out cry to the name, whatever name you pop you. Come up with, you scream it. And if you don't have a name, I'm gonna you to hit yourself again. I'm gonna need you to hit yourself a little harder. I'm gonna need you to hit yourself with the other one. If you need a tool to do this, you need to get a stick. You put leather on it. And you put broken glass on the end of that stick. You can do it with hot glue. You can do it with super glue. Or you can just sort of weave it in there. If you've got skills like that. But I want you to slap the shit out of yourself. Because if you don't have you're gonna slap the shit out of yourself. I want you to give a little tug. I want you to grab that skin. I want you to yank that skin off. I want you to feel that burning, bleeding back. Do you feel it? Now you should cry out. Right there. You should have your name right there. If not, we're going to send some guy over. We're going to send some acolyte over to help you. They're going to hit you with metal bars. They're going to try to avoid your head. But they're going to be in the dark. They're going to have to get naked too. They're gonna hit you with those bars. But they're not gonna be able to see you very good. And I'm gonna need you to cry out. I'm gonna need you to cry out. I'm gonna need you to cry that name out. Now, if you don't know the name, you can't get the name right. I don't know what to tell you. Because we're gonna have to call 6 more guys. They're gonna have a really sharp stick. And they're gonna stab at you. And since they're gonna be naked in a room, 6 other guys, there's gonna be 12 guys in there. Some of them with pipes, some of them with sticks. They're gonna hit you. And then some of them are gonna be stabbing at you. If you don't cry by now, you might not make the next 6 guys okay. If you don't have it by this point. If you don't have it by this point. Somebody's gonna end up committing a felony. But they're not gonna know. Who did it because it's gonna be dark now. I'm gonna ask my boys to leave. You should be laying on the floor pretty humble by now. You should be bleeding. You should have a couple layers of your back ripped off by cat of 9 days with bloody shots. And now you should see now that you're in the proper state. I want you to seek that enlightenment because have your ass whooped. You gotta have your ass whooped. Because you sought for something more. Okay, you wanted something more. This is what you're gonna get. We're gonna whoop your ass. Because you wanted more than you were going to be allotted. What do you think? What do you think was going to happen? Do you think we're going to sink and sit in a circle? Huh. Is that what you thought? It looks like you're visiting. We are not going to beat you up without we're going to tell you to stop trying to get more. You don't deserve it. You're not having it. Then we're going to fucking murder you. If you can persist on. So you need to just chill the fuck out. It looks like we want you quite a few pages. Without don't call us chase. We call you. It looks like you're visiting quite a few pages. Without making a chase. We're not fucking around. This is the world system. You want to find it. Find it yourself. Find it in your quietness. Don't be looking for help. You get no help. You find it yourself. It looks like you're visiting point of view pages where you need to get it from. That's the source. You understand. Don't have us come down here again. Don't. We're busy. We're doing stuff. We're very important people here. We can't be bothered with PNs like you wanting help. It looks like you're visiting quite a few pages without making the purchase. Because you're not getting anything. We won't give you anything. We want you to shut the fuck up. I'm not gonna tell you again. This isn't a game, homie. You understand. Figure it out now.